Wow. I'm Anjanae, this is Kinsley, and that's Kamai back there, and we are back with another video. I know y'all don't know us. I know our face look new and fresh, but baby, we is here to take over YouTube, right?
Yeah.
We are the new family, baby. It is Kinsley Spring Break. It actually starts... Oh, okay, hold on. Let me help her. Kinsley Spring Break is actually Monday the 10th through the 14th, but it's a weekend, so it's like she have an extra 2 days. So where we going today?
To the beach.
We're going to the beach to have some fun. To the beach. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You just gonna leave mommy hanging? No. Girl, you're not gonna sing with me? So yes, today is beach day. I was already getting some of the girls' stuff ready. Let me just show y'all. I got Kinsley a Hello Kitty towel because Hello Kitty is her favorite. And I got Kamai a bingo towel, which is always hard to find anything bingo because they always do bluey. Tootie wants to bring her Hello Kitty bubble machine. We got about 4 of these bubbles.
It'll be here.
Oh, 2 more. So we got 4 of these. We got hats for Kinsley. I have to go get Kamai a hat just in case the sun be in her face. Just packing up everything right now. I got Kamai a bluey bathing suit. It's so cute. Look.
My Hello Kitty one.
We have to go get you one. Mommy gotta take you to the store to go pick you up a Hello Kitty bathing suit. Yesterday I bought this, y'all. It is so pretty.
Why?
I don't want to keep it in my window, so don't ask me why I have it in my window. I just need to find something to sit it on. So yeah, I'm gonna find something to put it on. But my room aesthetic, I had changed up my whole room yesterday to like my favorite color is pink, so you know I had to add pink. I had to add pink because my favorite color is pink, so I'm gonna do like a purple. I'm gonna do like a pink, gold, and white in my room. You love gold?
Yeah.
And I added those back there. But yeah, so welcome to our YouTube channel, y'all. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. We're gonna be giving y'all a little bit of everything, a little bit of grown woman, a little bit of motherhood, a little bit y'all gonna catch me outside. Do y'all take baths before y'all go to the beach? I will hope y'all do because you still have to take a bath. I don't know. But we'll catch y'all on the next scene. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Where were you, Mommy? Where are you going? Ooh, you pushing your baby? Are you bringing your baby to the beach? Girl, don't leave your baby. Don't be a baby mama. You want to repeat?
Yeah.
Brush your teeth. Like that. Ooh.
No, that is my bubble. That is Mommy. That is.
Mommy have to.
No.
Brush your teeth. Girl. Period. Say period. Say period. You don't want to say period for Mommy? Period, boo. Breakfast. What y'all want? Y'all want grits or do y'all want pancakes?
Pancakes.
You want pancakes? Come on, you want pancakes? Yeah, or do you want grits? Grits. Fun facts about my kids. Kinsley like pancakes. She would eat pancakes every day if I would let her. And Kamai love grits. And yes, I'm that parent that cook both of the breakfasts for my children. I don't care. If one want grits and one want pancakes, guess what we gonna get? We gonna get grits and pancakes. So let me cook this breakfast for my kids and tag y'all along. But first we gonna open all these windows, starting with that one. Because I need some good lighting here. My mama don't have no good light. Oh, another fun fact, me and the kids live with my mother. When I moved out my apartment, we came here. So I really just want to give y'all some history on me and the girls because y'all don't know us. And the whole point of this. Yes. Let me see.
They say you have candy here.
No candy. You can have it later at the beach, okay?
Yeah.
But the whole point of this video is for y'all to really just get a soft lunch.
Mommy!
Yes, baby.
I want candy, Dad.
Okay. Like I was saying, the whole point of this is for y'all to get to know me so we can get to know each other, so we can grow with each other. But my kids are hungry, so let me clock this stove and fix some breakfast.
I want pancakes and grits.
You want pancakes and grits?
Yeah.
Girl. Stop my. Girl, you want pancakes and grits?
What's the matter, bud?
Come on, boo. So you can mix up the pancakes. Come on. Is my camera crooked? Yes, it is.
It's Christmas, Mom. Mom, give me a hug.
Hold on, baby. Let me fix the camera. Hug. Mwah. Mwah. Wait, here, Kinsley. Hold the eggs.
Oh no.
You're in charge of the eggs, so don't break the eggs, okay?
Okay.
1, 2. You want to hold one?
Yeah.
Don't break it, mommy. Over there. Put it over there. Wait. Wait, mommy. No. Wait, mommy.
Ew. Come on, don't break the egg.
Don't break the egg.
No, mine.
Do we have sausage? Where's the pancake?
No. Ew.
Come on, don't eat that.
Yep.
Baby girl, you are so pretty.
Oh, okay. There's no more grits, but we got.
Yes.
Alright, come on, crack the eggs.
Cause baby girl, you are so
Very chaotic breakfast every single morning. Watch out. Let's show them the eggs. Do I see a shell in here, Kinsley?
No.
Oh.
What?
She trying to choke us out. Tutu, get a cup with some water. Doing breakfast with 2 kids is not for the week. Full disclaimer, okay? Have kids at your own risk. Mix it gentle. Don't be so wild. I be trying to cook breakfast for y'all, okay? I can't do everything at one time. It's 2 of y'all, 1 of me, and I'm trying to you have to wait till you eat your breakfast, right? Okay. Let me see if I could get this to a way that y'all could see me and the food. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Y'all bear with me. Y'all know I'm new to this camera. I really don't know what I'm doing, but give me a few weeks. Give me a few weeks. I promise y'all. I'm gonna get it right for y'all. Life of a mom of 2 girls. Why did you push your sister? Close your legs. Close your legs. Why did you push your sister?
I don't know.
Give your sister a hug and give your sister kisses right now. Give her hugs and kisses. Tell her sorry. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh, my baby. She was messing with you. Wipe your eyes. Okay, but that don't mean push your sister. Don't push your sister no more, okay? You okay?
Yeah.
Sit down. Let me cook your breakfast. It's too early to be fighting. I'll be right back, y'all. I'll be right back, y'all. Right back. So don't go nowhere, okay? Don't go nowhere. No water, no water, no. Say hi. Can you say hi, mommy? Good kisses. Hey, boo. Hey, boo. How are you, boo? This is what the girls are going to be wearing today before we go to the beach. Something simple, nothing too much because they got to take it right off anyway. My daughter only 5, yes. She's only 5. I ain't gonna say no more because I don't want to put out her business. But yeah, gotta have the baby lotion for both of them, perfume for both of them, and some accessories for both of them. Now let me get these kids out the tub. Ooh, do your stomach feel better? Huh? Okay, I'm telling. Do you have to use the bathroom? No. I think you should try to use the bathroom. Come on. Yeah. You getting your hair done? Yeah. Yes, you are. You are getting. Oh, what's going on with you, sister girl? Huh? Yeah. You don't want to? Yeah. Okay. Ow. I'll show you, mommy. Straight through your hair, pumpkin. Your hair is growing so much. I'm so happy for your hair. I'm so happy for your hair, pumpkin. Yeah. We are using, I don't know how to pronounce it. Let me see. OC, I don't know, but we using the intensive hydrating oil, the detangling milk, and the sculpting gel. Period, Mai. Say period. 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 Say stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. They don't like doing hair, so I take the longest to do a simple hairstyle. Don't judge me. Judge me. Let's see. Alright. And I love these products. I just got these products for the girl hair. Yeah, she never cried when I brush her hair, so I don't know what's going on today. But I'm just not trying. I always use their shampoo, but the products for the hair, like for after wash, I never used before. And I must say, I love it. I really do love it. I get that out your mouth. That's for your baby. She's so pretty. She's so pretty, girl. Say bye, y'all.
Bye-bye.
Say playtime.
Pizza.
Come on, Tootie Butt. Come on. You have see what I told y'all. Tell her she don't want to get her hair done. Tootie, you have to get your hair done. I'm just gonna brush it up because we're going to the beach. Come on.
Oh, brush your hair up?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep. You want to keep it in your puff?
Yeah.
And when we at the beach, I'll take it out your puff. Okay?
Okay.
Say I'm done.
I'm done.
Period. We will see y'all on the beach vlog. Make sure y'all tune in because mommy needs to get herself together. Tell them welcome to the AKK family. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to the AKK family. We see more of us soon, so make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment on this video, share this video. Let us hit 1,000 subscribers. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we will do something for you. Mwah. We are finally headed to the beach. Come here, boo. Show them your cute baby suit. It's so cute, so cute, so cute. Stay right here. Oh, are you okay? Y'all did not see that. Are you okay? Fix it. Kids do not listen. Pull it up. All right, now let them see. We went right to Walmart. Come on, let's get down. Get down. We going to make sure you close the door. I want to show y'all my nephew. Y'all come right here. And I want to get some pictures with them, but I thought to show y'all the fence. Yeah, this is not something I would normally wear. I would never wear a bathing suit. But I'm losing weight, so I guess I'm a little comfortable with wearing a bathing suit, but whatever. Come on, stand right there. Let me take you out some pictures. That's her. Come on. Let me take you a picture. Come on. Say beach day.
Beach day. Beach day.
TT say beach day.
Beach day.
Come on, can you say beach day? Are y'all excited for the beach?
Yeah.
I got everything in this bag. But we about to get in the car, we about to head out, and I will pitch y'all up once we in the beach. It is so foggy out here, y'all. It's so foggy. But that's okay. We're going to make the best of it. How to tea.
Wow.
Ooh. You see the seagull?
Yeah.
It was flying. You ready, Fat? You took off your shoes, booty?
No.
Why you didn't take off your shoes? Take off your shoes. Wait, Mike. Ooh. It's cold. Give it to mommy.
All that water.
It's cold, mommy. It's cold, mommy. It's cold. Are you happy at the beach?
Yeah.
You happy? Spring break day 1, babe? You're cold, huh? It is so cold. Hopefully we warm up. We picked the wrong day to come out here because it is so cold. It is so foggy. Look, you can barely see anything back there. I'm freezing. I know my baby's freezing. I'm so glad I brought their towels. So let me get the kids situated. We're about to eat our food because I am starving. Okay. Gerald, what we about to catch?
Catch a goddamn nigga.
What?
We're looking for some catfish, some bass, some crappie. It's the beach though. I don't know.
Hey y'all, if my camera holding skills sucks, excuse me. I am a first time vlogger for real. Oh, this water is so cold. My nephew. I am a first time vlogger. I don't know what I'm doing. So if you come across my video and if you got some tips for your girl, give me some tips because I don't know if I should look in the lens or I should look in the extra little frame. I don't know which one I should do, but you know, but give me a month or so. Give me a month or so. I'm gonna have it down pat. But let's take it back to my brother. Yeah, but wait. I honestly think I had food in my teeth the whole time I was talking because I feel it. So, do not screenshot that, do not rewind it because I don't know if I had food in my teeth. Ew, you wipe his sand. Ew. Ew. Come here. Ew. My sister-in-law has entered the chat. Let's do our signature pose. Awesome Libra shit. And we
did it.
Not the little bro, but the big bro, right?
You already know.
Trying to hype his head up. That's my baby bro. Don't forget it. But we just started to take the kids to the beach. It's spring break. Kinsley been asking to go.
It feels good out here. Like,
It's cold, but it feels good out here.
I wish you brought some chairs.
What you want to tell? What do you want to tell YouTube? Like, what you want to say? What you want to tell to the girls or the guys? What they don't know about you? Like, assumption
big.
somebody have of you that is not true.
I don't know. I never really just, nobody never just, I'm a lit individual. You meet me, the first time you're gonna always love me.
Period.
I never had no bad words. Like, somebody ain't never came up. This person said you mean. Nah.
That's good. That's good.
But I'm lit though.
We just Libras. But let them know who you is.
I'm big time.
Not the little one. Not the little one.
Girl,
And I'm a clock her teeth every single time. Oh, look, I bet my brother be like these messy bitches.
Bitch, I'm big son.
Not the little one. And don't forget it. Don't forget it, please.
Damn.
And my brother go back and stuff every single time. So don't try it.
Look, my man, he doing fishing.
Y'all know my brother on his grown man shit like he's fishing. We're 23-year-old black man, family man, got a son, got a girlfriend because she's not a baby mama, she's a girlfriend first, soon to be wife. He's taking care of his business. He on some grown man stuff. Like he's out here taking his family fishing, including his sister and her two badass kids. Badass. Come on, what you doing?
Badass.
Not too much on my baby. Y'all, him and Kamai fight like cats and dogs. Oh my God. Speaking of, what's wrong, mommy?
Ain't not a goddamn.
But we about to finish this blizzy and we'll clock y'all right back, okay? The kids are freezing, so we're about to go. Y'all get out the water.
Hey, come back!
They're still in the water.
Zion, come back!
That's how you freezing. We put the towel on you and you go in the water when we say get in the car. I don't know. Y'all come on. I'm gonna clock out with y'all when I get back home, when the kids done took a bath.
Pizza!
You want some pizza? Okay. Kids have took a bath. Okay. Alright, the kids have took a bath. That's when I'm gonna clock back out with y'all. Yes, Titi? You want pizza too? Alright, y'all. I'll catch y'all back. Good morning, y'all.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
This is the morning after, and I did not clock out with y'all last night because when we got home, the crying, sand was everywhere, everybody needs to take a bath, and there was just no time to end my vlog, so I'm gonna end it right here. Welcome to the AKK family, y'all. If you can't hear me, I'm gonna try to talk loud, but I just woke up, so welcome to the AKK family. Make sure y'all join our fam. I am Nay. My two little girls are Kinsley and Kamai. And we are here to welcome y'all to our family. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and tune in every time we post a video. Bye.